Hey buddy, today in this video we're making bacon wrapped chicken wings in the air fryer. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the seasoning first. We'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of smoked paprika, half tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. There you go. Take everything and mix it all together. Make sure it's mixed in nice and even. Okay, it's looking good. We have here 14 pieces of chicken wings. Now we're going to take the seasoning and sprinkle it on top. There we go. Okay, we're set. We have here a pack of bacon from Oscar Mayer, and let's open it up. Okay, we have the strips of bacon ready to go. We're going to take the chicken wings, we're going to take the bacon and wrap it around the chicken wing. Just like that. Okay, we have all the chicken wings wrapped up, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Okay, we have all 14 chicken wings wrapped in bacon in the basket. Let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to put it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. We're going to turn them around. Okay, we have them all flipped over. Let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today. Bacon wrapped chicken wings made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.